Hi all, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about what is next. So if you don't know, I have released 55 videos on Power BI Basics, and we've moved all the way through what is Power BI to how to publish a Workspace app. I'll go ahead and link that playlist here. But for now, I think it's time that we move on to something new. And that something new is going to be Microsoft Fabric. So we're going to be releasing videos with thumbnails very similar to the thumbnail of this one. And we're going to start moving through the DP600 study guide. And we're going to do our best, or I'm going to do my best, to release daily videos moving through various topics on that study guide with the goal of passing the DP600. I certainly am not as familiar with Microsoft Fabric as I am with Power BI, so it's going to be a big learning experience for me, but one that I'm excited for, and I'm excited to learn alongside you. That's not to say that this channel won't continue to be have Microsoft Power BI videos. I'm going to continue to try and do portfolio projects about once a week, just because I think those are really popular, and I think it shows how easy it is to get started in Microsoft Power BI. But I hope you're excited for me, or you're excited to kind of come along with this journey with me. Microsoft Fabric is definitely where Microsoft thinks the future of business intelligence is going, and Power BI is part of Microsoft Fabric. So, yeah. I hope you're excited for kind of the next part of this chapter. And if you haven't watched the Power BI Basics video series, go do that now. Thanks for watching. Bye.